Hi, Harry. Oh, we have a guest today. Hello. What's your name? What's your name?
Harry.
And you? And that's Tita Pin. And Mommy Gren. And we are all going to... Yes, we're going to the beach. And... Yes, Blue is going to the beach. So, come on guys, let's go! Yay!
Sunscreen.
Let's go! Hello, Mommy Pin! Welcome to La Perouse. Hi, Mommy Pin.
Hi.
Thanks for coming today.
We almost canceled it.
Yeah, we almost...
Weather, yeah.
Correct. It was raining today, isn't it?
Yeah.
This morning, sorry, this
Rain,
morning.
cloudy, and I was like hopeless.
Hopeless?
It will be sunny.
Yeah, but prayer works. I pray to Papa God to have a good weather at least after lunch. So here we are. Here they are.
Say hi. You're hungry?
Yes, and we are here at La Perouse. It's actually not that far from the city, but it's quite quiet here compared to other beaches. But it can be very busy on the weekend.
Yep, it's very busy on the weekend. No parking.
No
We
parking.
usually end up there in Yarra Bay, Phillips Bay. Now it's actually big day. So the end part is Phillips Bay.
True.
But
We're-
even on weekends, all of these are full.
True.
I promise.
Yeah, us Aussies love beaches, isn't it?
And it's free. But, in other countries, usually when you go to beaches, you have to pay for it.
to just see the beach or just to have a day tour. Here it's for
True.
free. And luckily we live around the area where the beach areas are, and being also her husband works around, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yeah, so let's. We're inviting you to watch this video. Enjoy it. See ya. Sana all. Sana all, dog. Lunch time! Snacks time!
I want you to finish your yogurt.
Hello! Hi, Harry! Hi! Hi, Mia! Here's your banana bread.
You want some banana bread?
Yes, banana bread and chips. Come on! Come on!
Very fresh. Okay,
You wanna give it to Mia then? Share it with Mia then. Half.
Can I bite it? No?
Can Tita bite it? Can Mama, can I give it to the birds? Why not? You're the one who wanted the banana bread, man.
Like fries, baby.
Mia is hungry. Look, she's eating the chips. Eat, man. What's Eat the chips, man. Oh, that's sweet. Wow, put it in his mouth.
Don't bite. No biting.
Cute. No biting, no fighting, no screaming, no squealing. Let's go home. And do you want to tell them what are you doing?
My toy!
May meeting ba ngayon?
Meron.
Meron. Ito yung mga kachikadora natin. Ang mga chismosa ng kapitbahay. Ayan. Hi guys! So, these kids are done playing at the beach. So, guys, where are we going? Playground. I thought you guys want the ice cream. Want an ice cream? So yeah, so we're gonna have some ice cream first, and then we'll have them burn more of their toddler energy at the playground. Let's go! Oh, there's more gelato here. Oh, wow. I like that. What do you think? What do you think for mommies?
Yeah.
Yes. What's yours?
Macadamia ice cream.
What is this?
For me, in a cup.
I'll have in a cup to place. These are the flavors. Silly mommy, I didn't even know. Vanilla cookies, English toffee, Caramel. I'll have a macadamia too, please. Alright. Okay, Mia will pay. Hey, don't, no. You're gonna break the cash. You're gonna break the money. Four. Thank you for. Hey kids, food time. Food time.
I'm here, baby.
Hey adults and kids, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.